Hello girls, I'm Ruchita and I welcome you to FOMO, Passion on My Own. Now we all have a stressful life and hectic schedules. And trust me, our hair goes through as much stress as we do. L'Oreal Professional's Hair Spa range claims to heal hair from root to tip, giving you beautiful hair inside out. I've been using this product for over 3 weeks now and I'm ready to share my thoughts with you on it. So watch this video to know my review. Now what it claims, enriched with water lily and purified water, this deep nourishing shampoo intensely nourishes your hair. It gently cleanses and infuses the hair fiber with nutrients and moisture. Your hair feels rehydrated, soft and shiny. Now coming to my experience with the product, the shampoo is white in color and runny in texture, whereas the conditioner is a little bit more thicker and creamy. Both of them have this pleasant aqua fragrance with the hint of lilies that lingers on for the entire day, which I quite like. The shampoo creates a decent lather with a small quantity, and generally my hair is more dry and more frizzy. So my after wash experience with the product was quite good because it left my hair soft, squeaky clean, frizz free, and it also gave a lot of nourishment to my dry hair. It didn't cause any hair fall. Also, if you've oiled your hair with a decent amount of the shampoo, only one wash is required, and it's pretty gentle for everyday use. Now the conditioner works well with the shampoo because it adds hydration and makes your hair manageable. But if you're someone with extremely dry hair, then you'll require a heavier conditioner. Now coming to the packaging, the shampoo comes in an opaque mint plastic bottle with a flip top cap, and the conditioner comes in a tube with a screw cap, both of them with a nozzle, ensuring too much product is not dispensed. The shampoo and the conditioner both are moderately priced. This 230 ml bottle of the shampoo is priced at Rs 400 and this 200 ml tube of the conditioner is priced at Rs 400 as well. Overall, I quite like the product and I would highly recommend it if you have dry hair. But in case if you have thin hair, then this product will not really work for you because it does not add any volume and not that it mentions so it's absolutely fine. The con with the product is that it contains SLS and it's not easily available in the market. It's only available at select salons and online. Our FOMO rating for L'Oreal Professional Hair Spa Deep Nourishing Shampoo and Conditioner is 4 on 5. So ladies, this was my review of L'Oreal Professional's Hair Spa Deep Nourishing Shampoo and Conditioner. If you want me to review any other products, do let me know in the comments below. Share this video and subscribe to FOMO, Passion on My Own.